Yo, what's up guys, I'm Clinton and welcome to the channel. So if you're just joining us for the first time, I really do appreciate you all and I welcome you all to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to remove the background from a picture or whatsoever image you have. And with this, we're not going to be making use of any software. It's just going to be a website. You don't need to use the Canva Pro feature, or if you have a Canva Pro, you can also use that. But this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a free website that you can be able to use to carry out this same action. So all you have to do is to go into your browser, and you have to search for background removal. And when you search that, you're going to see this one that comes up, www.weremove.bg. So here is what you're going to click on. You're going to click on this one, remove.bg, and you can go about this using two different methods. You can actually upload an image right from your computer, or you can actually just go to some free stock footage that you want to use some pictures there, and you can just go ahead and let's assume for something like, okay, let's look for an image that can be good. Okay, let us try to use something like this one. I don't know if it's gonna go through. Okay, let's assume we want to use this one here. I'm just gonna go ahead and just copy the image, and I'm just gonna go into this website, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on, wait, let me cancel this. I'm just going to go ahead and click Control V, and automatically it's just going to upload the video that I have on my clipboard already. And as you can see, it just took out the background just like that, and very easy to use and very fast. You don't need to go ahead and start doing some edit. And also you can also edit, let's assume you want to edit the resolution. You can, okay, this one is going to require you to sign up and stuff like that. You don't want to go through all those paths. So once you've gotten your image, just go ahead and just download your picture. Click on download. You can download in HD. Let's see what it's going to show us when we try to download in HD. Okay, it's telling us to sign up. Okay, you don't want to go through the step. You can also come here and just download the preview image, and I believe this is going to go straight. Okay, automatically, as you can see, it's just going to download as a PNG file, and you can just go ahead and use the image for what you want to use. All right guys, so if you find this tutorial helpful, just go ahead and give this video a like, and you can drop a comment in the comment section. I really do appreciate that. Okay guys, consider subscribing to the channel, and peace out. See you guys in the next one.